presence is a moral support for one another, and you're sharing and all this, you are also helping one another to grow. So you have to thank one another also. Definitely, we are very fortunate to have wonderful ministry, music ministry, and all the others and so on. And well, all of you who have been touched, you can always then chip in your share then to see that you can also help to do something more than for the retreat center here, and that you can also try to promote this conversion experience, because there are many who are in need of this experience. So, as I've said, not only must you say that you appreciate what you have received, but see that you share what you have received. Because if you don't share, that means you have not really received. It is just something fleeting then, okay? Because if you just imagine, if each one of you, having come for the retreat, now if you can bring another person